Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a angel eye install. As you see, I already got one part of it done. None of the wiring is done just yet, so I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done here. The only thing that you need to do is take out the screw that's inside that hole. It's just a regular screwdriver, just like your normal ones. We'll go inside, see if I can do it one-handed. There we go. Screw this out. Whoop. Lost my screwdriver. Now I can't even see. Oh, there it is. Sun's like in my face. All right. Be right back, Candace. Once you get your headlight out, you just want to be very careful and take that clip out. Make sure you don't break it. I'll be right back. So the next thing you want to do is take off these right here, which you just kind of have to push them sideways. Again, I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to be back when I move the weather strip here. Now the weather strip part is out. The only thing you want to do is take off these clips. They just pop up. I did it a little bit earlier. And you want to pull this straight out as well. Not breaking it. So that comes out way down top of the engine. And then down here, you want to clip that one, and that one. So it's 3 clips. This one, I'm bleeding, that one, and that one. Once you get all these up, you should be able to pull this out. I'm trying to do it with one hand so I don't have to stop the video. There we go. So we got this bad boy out. Oh, I was like, where my other lens go? So put that on top of there. Don't worry, those are getting cleaned today as well. And then down here, you kind of just want to shimmy this little tray out on the bottom. You don't really have to worry much about breaking it. It should just slide out, but doing this with one hand isn't. I broke it. Well, oh man. Okay, whatever, that's gonna be there. Oh my god, these things are so brittle. Just broke that one too. So these come out. What I'm doing is trying to test out some plastic dip on those to see if it can peel easy, because I do want to get rid of all of this inside, and I want to make that all black. So when the angel eyes show, it's going to have that meaner look. Like, this is just going to be a straight black. It's just going to show the angels. I might re-plastic dip these, but I already bought new grills and those are coming in, so I'll go do another small install on those as well. So the next part of what you want to do is get your lights. There should be 2 different sizes. So here's the big one, and shout out to the angel eye guy in California. He can hook you up. Check out his website. He has it for E90s, E46s, all that. You definitely want to talk to this guy. He's amazing. So it comes with your headlights, some tabs, some 3mm double-sided tape, just like the $100 kit, but just way simpler. I'll get back to you when I start installing them up here. So the second part of this is that the only thing I did was just put the little plastic pieces on to mock it up. I don't have the 3mm sided tape yet. And then you want to take the bigger port here and just literally just undo the little grommet that's right there. And you want to take this and you want to feed it through. Again, this is super hard with one hand, so I'll be right back. What it's going to look like is that the wires are going to get pushed up in between and inside the grommet and then come out. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right now, both angel eyes. Now what you want to do with these connections that are right here that went through the rubber grommet is that you want to connect it to the harness that was provided to you inside the kit. This is one of the best kits that I've ever seen for the price of the money. It's very easy to understand and it's very easy to follow the YouTube video to actually do this. So I'll be right back. I'm going to connect these two together and then I'll show you what you need to do with the positive and negative wires. Right, it's been a little bit. It's probably been about 30 minutes. The only thing I did was route the wires around, connected to the positive terminal. The negative terminal is actually down here. This is gonna go through the firewall to light up, so when I unlock my lights on my car, actually, I'm sorry, that the lights will flash on. And then I took the wires and routed it all into there. Connected the terminals in here, kind of stuck it underneath until I have zip ties. And then I took off the box in the corner. Next, I'm going to route this into the ignition. Once that's done, I turn the car on. The lights will automatically turn on no matter what. And I also want the feature, again, when I lock my car, that the lights will turn on. Once I find out which one of those wires are the ignition, I'll be right back and I'll show you the lights turning on. We'll put the 3mm sided tape on, hold these down. And then we'll get to cleaning those and I'll show you the progress on that in just a moment.